So let's continue and talk about another container that we have in Python. It's called tuple, and different from lists and dictionaries, it's an immutable object. So it's an immutable ordered list of values. We cannot change the values once we put it there. So how we can create a list, right? A tuple. In order to create a tuple, you use the parentheses. And a tuple can be anything, is the same thing as a list. So we have a red here, which is a string, numbers 1 and 2, and then you have a false. It pretty much, it doesn't matter. So if you go there and print it out, what is the type of this fish right here, this tuple, we'll see that the class is a tuple. Okay? And you can pretty much access the elements and do most of the operations you would do in a list. So let's say, what is the element of index 1 in this tuple, or what is the last element on this tuple? And if we do that and it would print it out, we'll have that the first element is, the element at position 1 is 2, and the very last element, it's a false, all right? That's not the only way to declare a tuple. A tuple can be just declared as a bunch of ordered numbers. So if you would go there and say, hey, what is the type of t, in this case right here, we would see that it's also a tuple, all right? And the same way we did a list comprehension with that, we can do the same thing using tuples if you want. So you can have a tuple comprehension if you want to call it. But in any case, also you can access the elements directly, as we already saw, but different from a list and a dictionary. You cannot change the value. So let's say we want to change the second value here to, I don't know, 5, whatever number, it doesn't matter. If you try to run this, it won't be possible, because since t is a tuple, that object does not support item assignment, or in other words, it doesn't allow it to be changed. All right? So that's all for tuples. Thank you and happy coding.